apartment owners, their federation, and sitting and discussing their problems. See, we need to make society a better place to live. People should live happily rather than have a lot of issues, problems, cases. So I'm sure government is also working on that. They're trying to bring in a new law wherein all these small issues are resolved. And the apartment, as I rightly said, see, in urban, a village panchayat is an apartment. The whole issue is like a village where all people live together. They are owners of one project, but jointly the ownership is not in one person. It is, everyone. So we need to make that living there and coexistence should happen in a good way. So I am sure government also will bring in with a new law which will accommodate all these things there.
The builder has paid chairman also and apartment association, owners associations, lots of complaints. So if I be specific.
No, whatever complaints are there, we'll address it. They can come to BDA has to address that, and we are open to that. We can take the issues and we can address it. Not a problem. We are available. See, BDA, the chairman or BDA is available for everybody. Anybody can approach. We give time, we meet them, and we resolve the issues. Now we are online available. You can check how issues are resolved on YouTube. We are live whenever the open house happens. We are live, so people can see it also. So there's no problem. You don't have to be worried if somebody says you can't go, you can't meet, and all. It's easily accessible, and your problem will be resolved.
CM has launched a new
Many apartment associations have not registered it, and the members
They have to register.
So how can you ensure
That is what. That is where the RERA will come in, and they will make it happen, and it will be done. The law is very strong. They can't escape from that.
Okay, but that is the one that is creating a lot of problems.
See, the thing is, law is to be followed by everybody. We have to be law-abiding citizen. Whether it's a developer, builder, apartment owner, the one who doesn't follow the law is what? He's a culprit. So he has to be taken up as on the wrong side by the government, the legal department, the police. You can file a complaint and they will take it up seriously.
So enforcement has to be strictly.
100%. It is done. Only you need to tell people. The department won't know until you go and raise a complaint. No. When you raise a complaint, they'll take it up.
And is there some sort of a single window place where?
Why single? Now RERA is there.
They
You
can
give a
go to RERA.
complaint. Yeah. You give their associations ready to give all those things. Okay.
Just
Thank
a
you.
last question, sir. E-Khata campaigns are going on.
Going on now
Across the
also.
city. Just an update regarding that from your
No,
government.
E-Khata is there now. Again, we have announced that is B to A Khata and E-Khata. All digitalization is fully happening. People should come forward. See, people don't have patience. They don't have time. All are busy. Till they fall somewhere, they are not having time. Once they fall or something falls their head, then only they realize, oh, we have to go. No, now government is ready. Please come forward and get all these things done. So you should move forward when government is ready to do it. When government is not ready to do or something is not happening, it is a different subject. When government is ready, I request each one of you, B to A Khata, E Khata, everything is being done now. Another, I think, almost 10 days or 15 days over, 90 days we have promised to be done. So all should approach and get it done. Thank you.